Doc, pwede ba quickie?
Yes, okay.
Doc, ano ba ang dahilan? Bakit kumakati yung tenga natin?
Too much cleaning.
Sobrang paglilinis lang yon.
Yes, ma'am.
Oo.
Kasi the more you clean, the more the ears gets dry.
Oo.
So,
Pero hindi ba dapat talaga nililinis natin yung tenga natin?
not usually.
Oo.
Not usually.
Oo.
We usually advise, I see my patient twice a year lang for ear cleaning. For regular ear cleaning, twice a year only.
Oo.
So,
Pero tayo, kasi gusto natin kinakalikot kasi akala natin may nabubuong earwax. Tapos gusto natin tanggalin.
there are different people, no? Some people produce too much wax, others they don't. So it depends on the person also. So usually I see my patients quarterly, pero kung yung sanay na yung patients ko, twice a year lang, sufficient already.
Okay. Pero, Doc, meron ba talagang impacted cerumen?
There is
Oo.
wrong use of cotton swabs.
Napupush siya.
Yes, napupush siya. So, I usually advise yung mga infant na to cotton swab because they're left thinner.
Yung maliliit na.
So there's no tendency for you to push it inside.
Kailangan ba lagyan mo ng oil yun, Doc?
You
Gagamitin?
don't need to put oil.
Oo. So, ano yun? After every bath?
No.
Oo. Ay.
No. When you wanna clean your ears, just clean the outer part up to here, but never the inside.
Wag ipasok.
Huwag ipasok.
Thank you,
Okay?
Doc.
You're welcome.